Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. For those who are new here, welcome. So today we're going to be painting some cone flowers, so get your art equipment out and stay tuned. Alright, so let's get started. Today I will be using the Gencrafts watercolor paint. You can find them on Amazon if you're interested in purchasing them. They're pretty reasonable. So here's a list of all the items that I will be using in today's tutorial. So I will leave a link in the description below for those who are purchasing these items. So we're going to start off with our discs. Now this is the top center part of the cone flower. We will be painting 3 of these. We will be painting them in with different colors as to add dimension to it. If I am moving too fast, you can always stop the video or slow it down so that you can work at your own pace. Now this color that I am using is actually a mixture of yellow and brown, so it's not a flat yellow. So I added some brown to it so that it can be a tad bit brighter. Yeah, so I added brown to it because the yellow, the original yellow, is a tad bit pale. Alright, so what I'm actually doing here, I'm actually mixing in some dark brown onto the disc, the bottom left portion of the disc, in order to add some dimension, because we don't want our flowers to look flat. We need it to have dimension, to have movement, to have flow. And what I will do sometimes to speed up the process, I'll use a small handheld fan to allow the paint to dry quicker. So if you want to speed up the process, you can use a fan to dry the paint quicker. So now I'm just gonna go in with a darker brown and place it along the sides as well. You're gonna put them on all 3 cones, so the top one, the left one, the one to the right. So get some brown paint and place them along the bottom side of the cones. so we're going to be starting off with our petals. I'll be using yellow petals and purple petals. So the top coneflower will have yellow petals and the bottom two will have, what did I just say? The top one will have, the top one will have yellow petals and the bottom two will have purple petals. So you're gonna drag, press and lift. Drag, press, lift in order to get those shapes, and don't make the petals uniform. Use different shapes, use different sizes as you go around. Alright, so the same method we use for the yellow petals, we're going to use it when painting the purple petals. So here I am mixing purple with a kind of crimson red because I didn't want a straight purple. I wanted a purple burgundy-ish color. So I'm mixing both of them together until I get the color that I want. And then when you get the color that you want, you can go ahead with it. As a matter of fact, guys, you don't even have to use purple. You can use any other color that you want. You can use green, you can use blue. Just use the ones that you're comfortable with. And we're going to use the same technique. We're going to press, drag, and let go. Press, drag, let go. Press, drag, and let go. Also, when you finish painting your petals, if you want it to be a tad bit darker, you can go over it. You can go over it with the same colors. So you don't have to leave it at that. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you are enjoying this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and press that notification bell so you can know when I am posting again. Oh, and also you can also, what are you saying? You can also follow me on Instagram and send me the photos of the drawings that you did. Alright, so when you're finished with your petals and your buds, you can, not buds, this, oh my goodness. When you finish, you can always go in and paint your stems. You choose a shade of green you like and you paint in your stems however you want to paint them. It's up to you. And after that, you're gonna go in and add some strokes, some purple strokes to the petals. Alright, so we're gonna add some leaves to these plants. You can use different shades of greens. Use the ones that you're more comfortable with. And you place them along the stem of each plant. And if you feel like, you can always go over the leaves, go over the stems, just, you know, add a little brighter green to allow for the painting to be bolder. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna be adding on some buds right now to this flower. I already drew the stems. You call those stems? I don't even know what you call them. I don't know the floral term for it, but I'm gonna be adding in some buds at the end of these strokes. Let's just say strokes for now. People, you ever talking and you just run out of words to say? Like when you're naturally introverted and just run out of words, you don't know what else to say? That's happening to me right now. Literally. Alright, so if you know coneflowers, the buds of the coneflowers themselves have some little tiny flowers on them. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using a dark brown to create little strokes on the bud of the coneflower. So those will represent the little flowers that are on it in real life. So you can use dark colors. Use dark colors to accomplish this. And for those who are very good at painting watercolors, if you have any tips and tricks for me, you can let me know, because I'm a beginner painter when it comes on to this. So if you have any tips, any ideas, any tricks you can share with me, just let me know down in the comments so that I can apply them to my painting. So yeah, this is the final result. I hope you guys made it this far, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. So remember, always keep practicing, never stop. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and tune in next time when I post. Cheerios.